Welcome to Activity 38, A Little Easier. In this activity, we'll be using part, whole to write addition and related subtraction equations. First, I'm going to use my bond blocks to fill in my part, whole diagram. The diagram is a little more difficult than the bond blocks because the length of the blocks are related. The 4 is longer than the 2. Whereas in the diagram, the bars that represent the parts are the same size. It's the number that you write in there that tells you how big they are. The last thing I need to write in this bar is my whole. Addition is part add part equals whole. Part add part equals whole. 4 add 2 equals 6. When I come to the next addition equation, my parts can swap positions with each other, but my whole needs to stay in the same position here. So I still have part add part equals whole. 2 add 4 equals 6. When I move to subtraction, I need to remember that subtraction is whole subtract part equals part. The whole lives in this position. So I pick up my block that is the whole and I put it in this position. So I have whole subtract part equals part. 6 subtract 2 equals 4. When I write this subtraction equation, I need to keep my whole in the same position, but my parts can swap positions with each other. So I still have whole subtract part equals part. 6 subtract 4 equals 2. So there are my addition and related subtraction equations for the bond of 6 is equal to 4 and 2.